Hi, in this lesson, we'll be talking about understanding scatter plots. A scatter plot, also known as a scatter chart or a scatter graph, uses dots to represent values for two different numerical variables. The position of each dot on the horizontal and vertical indicates value for an individual data point. Scatter plots are often used to observe the relationship between variables. Let's look at some of the relationship we can find between two variables. First, we can have a strong positive correlation. So it means that we can clearly see that when the x values increase, the y also increases, and we can also see that they increase in a constant way. We have strong negative correlation. In this correlation, when the x increases, the y decreases. And we say it's strong because you can clearly see the relationship between the two. We have a weak positive correlation. Here, the relationship is not clearly visible, but you can see that when the x increases, the y also increases. We have a weak negative correlation. Here we can see that when the x increases, the y will slightly decrease, but the relationship that you are making out is not so clear. Here we can see we have no relationship between the y and the x value. It is just random. Then we say we have no correlation. Let's take a look at this example here. It says the value of cars in a used car garage are recorded below. The scatter graph shows the information. Okay, we have the value of the car here and the years. It says another car arrives at the garage in 4 years. It is 4 years older and it is worth £5,000. Show this information on the scatter graph. So they want us to go to 4 years. It's a different pen. 4 years and 5,000 pounds, and our data point will be there, but just make it a nice little sound and make it so roughy. B, it says describe the correlation between the values of the car and the age of the car. We can clearly see that as the age increases, the value of the car is going to decrease. So we will say we have a strong negative correlation. Question C says the next car that arrived is 6 years older. Estimate the value of the car. So what we will do here is draw a line called best fit. Best fit needs to make sure that on your left-hand side and on your right-hand side, you have the same amount of numbers. And if you can go through at least 2 points, if not more, that would also be nice, right? So this is our best fit line. We're going to go to year 6 and touch our best fit line and see which value it indicates on our y-axis, and that will give us £4,000. Is it believable? Yes, because we can see here at 4 years, it is worth £5,000. So we expect that at 6 years, it would be worth less than £5,000. So clearly we do have a nice best fit of line here.